So since the last time we did this video, a few things have happened. We took the head off the Cresta and we gave that to a man who specialises in repairing heads on cars, which he did for us.
Bye-bye.
Whilst we were waiting for that, my dad changed his Volvo V90 for a Alfa Romeo 159. And the BMW decided it wanted a swimming pool in the boot. Oh, this ain't good. There's that much water in here that it's actually floating.
It's coming through down here from somewhere. You can see it on top there.
I think that's just where I pulled the spare wheel out just now.
Leave it out. There's a seal leaking somewhere.
Yeah, so me and the boy are cleaning out the car and I find this in the boot. It's unexpected. A lot of water come out. But now we got the head back from the workshop. We've started putting it back together. Been working hard, despite the fact that I've been on nights.
Go back.
luck with you.